Sn is a statement about positive integers n, such that whenever sk is true, sk plus 1 must also be true. Furthermore, there exists some positive integer n naught, such that s n naught is not true. Of the following, which is the strongest conclusion that can be drawn? And we're given several options here. Okay, so let's go through them one by one and just kind of rule them out. So I can rule that out because with the information that we're given, we basically have the induction step holds for some statement, but we do not have a base case. What we have instead is that for some value n naught, the statement does not hold. But if s n naught is not true, it is still possible that s n naught plus 1 is true. So the second statement, so this is true. Sorry, this entire statement, this is correct. We can conclude that s n naught minus 1 is not true, because if it were true, then s of n naught would have to be true. However, this may not be the strongest conclusion that we can draw. In fact, now I'm seeing what the strongest statement is going to be. The strongest statement should be that s of n for all n less than or equal to n naught is not true. And in fact, that is the next statement that we're given. Okay, so this statement is also going to be true for the same reason, more or less for the same reason that this we identified as correct. If Sn is true for some n less than or equal to n naught, then we can use the induction statement that we're given to conclude that s of n naught is also true, but that gives us a contradiction. But just to make sure we cover all our bases here, I'm going to look at the next two statements. Okay, so this is going to be incorrect for the same reason that our first one was incorrect. Not going to say too much more about that. And the last statement, this is also not going to be the answer, because it is certainly possible that s of n naught is true. We can't conclude anything about, sorry, s of n naught plus 1. We can't conclude anything about s of n naught plus 1 with the information we're given. So this is our answer here. This is the strongest statement that we can conclude from the given information. If I have anything more to say about this one, I'll put it down in the description. Thanks for watching.